Hi students, in this video we will discuss about the judiciary of India. Indian judiciary, that is the court systems, is integrated judiciary. That is all the courts are integrated. That is in detail the Supreme Court is at the helm, that is which is situated at the Delhi. Is the Supreme Court, that is the highest court of appeal in India. Whatever the law, that is, it is not only the parliamentarians who make law. Supreme Court also can also make law, or it passes judgments, and it passes judgment. The Supreme Court, it makes laws, and the most important function of any court is passing a judgment. Whatever the judgment Supreme Court passes, it is applicable throughout the territory of India. That is, it is applicable to multiple high courts or all the high courts present in the country. However, a law passed or a judgment passed by the high court is applicable only to the territory of a state. Understood? For example, Karnataka has a high court. The cases which are registered in the state can come to high court of the state, and the judgment, if any constitutional conflict exists, has to be sent to Supreme Court again. High Court cannot decide a constitutional judgment because it needs larger benches, and if it gives any kind of a judgment, it is applicable only to the territory of a state. Below the High Court, there are subordinate courts, that is, the courts at the district level. The courts at the district level are divided into two. One is a sessions court, another is a district courts. These district courts is also called a civil court, which deals with the civil matters, that is, regarding the land disputes, marriage, any other civilian petty, that is between the two individuals, not just two, it means between the civilians of some monetary value or which doesn't go against the norms of the society. It is a conflict or a dispute between the individual members of a society, whether it is between the two families or a family or an individual or any kind of a company, any kind of monetary values which involves the individuals, that is civilians. A criminal code discuss or it deals with the criminal acts. That is, what is a criminal act? The act that goes against the law and order or the moral of the whole society. That is, one is society or state versus an individual. For example, a murder. You are committing a crime because having a peace in a society is one of the most fundamental or important aspects of any state. However, if you are killing people, you are disturbing the peace. Today you might have killed some one person or somebody, and you might kill some other person tomorrow. So it is a crime, an act of violence against the state. So it is called as a criminal act. And these kind of acts or disputes are dealt at the sessions court. And remember, judiciary is an integrated judiciary in the Indian context. That is, all the courts are interrelated. Whatever the judgments being passed by Supreme Court are applicable throughout the whole territories of India, which needs to be followed by High Court and the subordinate courts, which are Sessions Court and the district courts. If you have any doubts, if you want me to explain any other concept also in any other topic, that is history, geography, we are anyway making lessons. Also, please comment. We will make those videos also. Let us catch up in the next video. Thank you so much.